What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Trisha here, but I know you already know that. As you can tell from the title and the thumbnail of this video, you guys are going to be making breakfast with me. That is right, with me. Today I'm going to be making some strawberry and cream cheese stuffed French toast. If you want to see how I do it, keep watching. Alright, so go ahead and grab your favorite bread. I like brioche. You'll need 3 eggs, cream cheese, some sugar, some cinnamon and vanilla, sour cream, and strawberries. You can really use any fruit, but I like strawberries. And you need a little milk. Alright, so now you just want to go ahead and cut the tops off of all the strawberries and then slice them vertical way. I mean, it really don't really matter. I just like it this way because I like to have bigger chunks of strawberries. Okay, so now that you have sliced them all, you're going to put them all in a bowl. And you are going to be pouring sugar in the bowl. That's a tad, but you don't really need to use that much sugar, but that's all I had left in the bag. Didn't want to waste it. But this is where your syrup is going to start to develop from those strawberries. Okay, so now we're going to work on the filling. You're going to need your cream cheese, which should be at room temperature. I added in a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. You can do more or less. This just gets the right sweetness for me. And then a cap full of vanilla flavor, and then a big spoon of sour cream. The sour cream for me just helps with texture a little bit, and then it also kind of breaks up the sweetness so it's not super sweet. So you want to go ahead and just give that a good mix. Use a hand mixer if you have one. I actually broke mine, so you'll see me from the spoon to the whisk and then back to the spoon, but you want to get a nice even consistency. Okay, so now we're going to work on the mixture to dip the bread. You're going to need to add in your 3 eggs, your cinnamon, 2 cups of vanilla, not cups, excuse me, caps, 2 caps of vanilla, a cup of milk, and just go ahead and mix that all together. You're going to mix it so it's well incorporated, okay? Nothing is worse than just having all your cinnamon sit right on top, so just give that a good mix, okay? Alright, so now we're going to take a look at our strawberries and see what the syrup is like. It's not ready yet, so we'll just set that back off to the side. Okay, so after a few more minutes, we're now ready with our egg mixture, our custard, and our strawberries with the syrup. Go ahead and get your bread and add the filling. I like to flip the bread so that they match up. So go ahead and add the filling. You can do this in a thin layer or thick, however, it depends on you how much you like. I like it like medium amount of it on there, and I do put it on both pieces. And then I just go ahead and add the strawberries with some of the syrup. You have to have some of the syrup, okay? And then I'm just going to put the other piece right on top. And this is why I'm calling it stuffed. It's better if you have a whole loaf of bread, then you can actually stuff it. I didn't know, so here you go. Sorry guys, I realized I probably wasn't recording. So real quick, I just took my little sandwiches that I made, dipped them into the egg sauce. I had butter already on my griddle, let it get hot, and you just take it and put it on there, and I let it sit for maybe 4 minutes or so, and then I flip it. Okay? Sorry. Okay, so you want to go ahead and let those cook until they're brown. on both sides and then take them off. So here I'm just going to show you basically what I did. I felt guilty about not recording it. So I'm just taking regular bread, dipping it in the egg, putting it on my griddle that has the butter already heated. And then I'm just going to be cooking it through. It's the same way. The other one just is more to it, of course, obviously. And it's single pieces of bread, which is still good too. Oops. Okay, so now that those are done, looks good, right? All right, so that's done. Now I'm just gonna make some bacon, chicken sausage, and cheese eggs just to accompany my French toast, okay? All right, so now we're ready to put it on a plate. On the first plate, we're just gonna have the regular French toast. The second plate is our stuffed French toast. And then we're just gonna make it look cute, okay? Okay, so to the stuffed French toast, I just added a little bit more powdered sugar and strawberries on top, just because I like to make it look cute, okay? But yeah, that is about it, and we are all done, you guys. Make sure you give this recipe a try. I'm telling you, it is freaking-licious. We have made it to the end of this video. Make sure to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you like these types of videos or if you want to see more of them. And that is all, you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.